Om Namah Shivaya. Dear friends, masters and divine Atmans, with love and gratitude, I welcome you all to a special Mahasivaratri meditation journey from 6th February, Friday to 16th February. I am beginning 11 days Shiva Dhyana Sadhana leading up to the sacred night of Mahashivaratri. Every morning at 5 a.m. I will be sharing a 15 minutes guided meditation video filled with the powerful vibrations of Shiva consciousness with Shivananda Lahari slokas and deep jhana on Lord Shiva. This meditation is not just a ritual. It is an inner journey to calm the mind, to purify thoughts, to experience silence, peace, and divine presence within. You don't need any prior meditation experience. All you need is a few minutes, a quiet place, and a sincere heart. I humbly invite you to join me every morning at 5 a.m. for these 11 days. Let us meditate together, chant together, and walk towards inner peace, clarity, and Shiva consciousness. If you feel this call in your heart, please participate regularly and also share this invitation with your family and friends who may benefit for this sacred practice. Let us offer these 11 days to Lord Shiva and receive His grace in our lives. Om Namah Shivaya. May Lord Shiva bless you with peace, strength, and awareness. Thank you. Thank you very much.